Why do we need to understand pest and plant diseases in tropical rainforest? To maintaining ecosystem balance. If pests and diseases are not controlled, they can cause the extinction of a certain plant species, which significantly impact the food chain and ecosystem stability. Second is to protecting biodiversity. Many plants in tropical rainforests play an ecological role and have economic benefits. Some even have medicinal value. Understanding and managing pests and diseases would preserve these important plants for future generations. Third is preventing economic losses. Plants like teak, mahogany, and sengon are commonly used in the forestry industry. Pest and diseases infection can reduce wood quality, cause financial losses, and decrease yields for communities that depend on forest resources. Fourth is providing sustainable control solution. By understanding pest and disease spread patterns, we can develop environmentally friendly control method. For example, using natural enemy of pests or breeding plants that are more resistant to diseases. Fifth and lastly, reducing the risk of spread to other ecosystems. Some pests and diseases do not only attack forests but also spread to agricultural and plantation areas. If not managed, they can cause food crisis and disrupt ecosystem beyond the rainforest. Tropical rainforests are ecosystems located in tropical region around 23.5 degree north and south latitude with high rainfall throughout the year. Known as the lungs of the world, these forests contribute to global oxygen production and carbon storage. Tropical rainforests can be found in the Amazon, located in South America, Congo in Africa, and Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. These ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating the global climate, absorbing carbon dioxide, and maintaining the water cycle. Main characteristics of tropical rainforests are high rainfall, more than 2,000 mm per year, keeping the soil moist and fertile, dense vegetation with tall trees forming a canopy that blocks sunlight from reaching the forest floor, high biodiversity, providing habitat for thousands of plant and animal species including endemic ones, warm temperature all year round 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, creating an ideal environment for life, and lastly, layered vegetation consisting of the canopy, middle layer, and forest floor filled with shrubs and small plants. Plant pests are organisms that damage plants by disrupting growth, reducing yields, or even causing plant death. They can be insects, nematodes, fungi, or small animals that attack different parts of plants such as leaf, stems, roots, and fruits. Plant diseases are disorder or abnormal conditions caused by pathogenic organisms such as fungi, bacteria, viruses, and nematodes, or environmental factors such as nutrient deficiency, pollution, or extreme weather change. These diseases can slow growth, reduce yields, or even cause plant death. Examples of major pests in tropical rainforests are wood-boring beetle, Xyloborus spp, attack tree transport tissue, damaging the structure and preventing nutrient distribution. The second is armyworm, or in Latin Spodoptera litura, feed on leaves, causing large-scale defoliation and weakening plants. Third is termites, Coptotermes formosanus, consume large amount of wood, weakening trees and reducing their resistance to environmental conditions. Fourth is alpid or Alpididae, suck leaf fluids, slowing plant growth and increasing infection risk. 5 is weevil or Alcides sp, attack the tips and branch of young plants, creating tunnels that weaken the structure. 6 is stem borers or Zooxera cophaea, damage tree trunks like eucalyptus, causing swelling and making them brittle. 7th is power post beetle, Xyloborus destruens, small beetles that damage the bark of teak trees, affecting color and wood quality. Examples of major plant diseases in tropical rainforest is first Sengon tumor rust or Uromicladium temperianum causes abnormal growth in Sengon tree, forming tumors that hinder plant development. Second is Fusarium wilt or Fusarium oxysporum causes plants to wilt and eventually die by attacking their vascular system. Three is root rot, Phytophthora spp, damage plant roots, preventing water and nutrient absorption, leading to gradual plant death. Four is Cercospora leaf spot or Cercospora spp, reducing photosynthesis by causing brown or black spot on leaf which eventually dry out and fall. 5 is Arachnosis or Colectoricum spp cause black spots on leaf and fruit, reducing crop quality. 6 is leaf blight. Rhizoctonia solani causes leaf to turn yellow and die, especially in young plants. And lastly, fruit rot. Botrytis cinerea attack fruits, causing decay and reducing their economic value. Control and prevention effort. First is biological control, using natural enemies such as insect predator or antagonistic fungi to reduce pest population, or planting trap crops that attract pests so they do not attack main crops. Second is mechanical and physical control, such as pruning infected plant part to prevent disease spread, or using pest traps such as yellow traps for flying insect. Third is chemical control, using botanical pesticides which are more environmentally friendly than synthetic chemical, or rotating the use of fungicide and insecticide to prevent pest and pathogen resistance. Fourth is crop environmental management, by growing disease-resistant plant varieties developed through breedings, practicing crop rotation to reduce the risk of pest and disease spread, and maintaining field cleanliness by removing weeds and plant debris that could harbor pathogen. Fifth and lastly is by monitoring and early detection, such as conducting regular inspection to detect early signs of pest and disease attack, and using monitoring technology such as agricultural application for early identification.
Sometimes we forget a rainforest isn't just tree and fresh air. It's a living network of plants, animal, soil, and us. Have you ever thought that something as small as an insect or an invisible fungus could quietly destroy a plant and disrupt an entire ecosystem? You don't have to be a scientist to care. Just knowing how pest and disease spread is already a step towards protecting nature. This planet is our shared home, and if we don't take care of it, who will? Well, thanks for listening. I hope today you learned something new, and tomorrow you choose to care a little more.